What's up, everyone? Welcome back to Forex and cryptocurrency, where we take you from a level to a higher level. Recently, people have been asking me a lot of questions on what Forex trading is, what are the requirements to start trading Forex, how can we make money through Forex trading. Well, in this video, guys, I'll show you the basics of Forex trading, and by the end of the video, you'll certainly know more about Forex trading than many people out there. Before investing in Forex trading, you need to understand, first of all, what the markets are. You need to understand the strategies that you have to use so that you cannot get liquidated. Remember that any type of trading is very risky, and the markets are very, very volatile, so you need to be very careful. Well, guys, back in the late 90s, there was no retail trading, and retail trading basically is what you and me are currently doing. You needed a couple of few millions in an account for you to be able to trade the Forex markets, and even then, you were a small fish in the big sea. Well, now the markets have expanded, and there was the introduction of the leverage trading through brokers who help us traders to trade with our limited capital. So what is Forex trading? Basically, Forex is foreign exchange. And what is foreign exchange? Foreign exchange is basically exchanging the currency of a country against another country. The US dollar is the most traded instrument on the world, and the euro is the second. So if you combine the two, the euro and the US dollar, it becomes the most traded pair. And the mechanism of trading is that if you think that the euro is going to rise in value against the US dollar, you buy it. And if you think that the euro is going to fall in value against the US dollar, you sell it. That is the basic mechanism of trading. The most traded currencies in the Forex markets is the US dollar, the euro, the Japanese yen, the Great British pound, the Swiss franc, the Canadian dollar, the Australian dollar, the New Zealand dollars, and many more. These currencies basically allow us to purchase goods and services both locally and also internationally. And if you are a citizen from the US and you want to purchase cheese in France, you'll have to pay the French in euros, so you'll have to convert your US dollars into an equivalent amount of euros. Forex trading has its advantages and disadvantages, and some of the advantages in the world is that you can trade anywhere in the world. Basically, what you need is just have an internet connection, and if you have your smartphone or your laptop, you can even trade from your bed. Another advantage is that it is easy to begin. Due to the high leverage provided by the brokers, you can even start with 100 US dollars for you to start trading. Another advantage is that you can gain profits in both the rising and also the falling markets. And another one, because of the strong volatility, many opportunities are provided within a single day for you to trade. And the last one is that it has higher liquidity. Higher liquidity means that over $6 trillion are released to the Forex markets within 24 hours. The Forex markets are open for 24 hours and 5 days a week, which means that they are closed for both Saturdays and Sundays. And if you need to become a profitable trader in Forex trading, you need a good mindset first of all, you need a good strategic plan, you need a good risk management plan, and also you need a good trading plan for you to become successful in Forex trading. And if you like our videos, subscribe down below. And if you want to know more about cryptocurrencies, watch our other videos. You'll see more about and you'll learn more about cryptocurrencies. And see you in the next one.